Hello guys, I'm gonna show you the one of my work project in our shop. I'm gonna make a male for going female for this. Did you see this yellow mark? The male to is gonna make in a Mastecam. So did you see the black mark? Is the females already done. So I'm gonna make the simple program for this project. Okay, I open my Mastecam. First things to do, I create wireframe which is rectangle. So I put size, height and weight. The height is 1.123 and the width 0.998. So okay, then click in the center and click OK, and then I'm gonna make a line in center, so just to easily move origin in the center. Okay, here, okay, and go to move origin, click center. Oh, okay, that is. Then I'm gonna make another wireframe which is circle. Just click in the corner for the diameter. So after that, I check the entity is like this, the exactly size. So okay, that's good. I think next is gonna create extrude. Okay, the body. Okay, I'm gonna go to extrude. I'm gonna extrude the rectangle. Click OK. Entity. So the height is 1.8 inch. That's good. Click OK. Then I'm gonna move this circle in the downside. So because I'm gonna extrude this for the body. Okay. So I'm gonna translate this. I'm gonna go to translate. Maybe something wrong again. Okay, I'm gonna go to translate, click the entity, click OK, and I'm gonna move this in the down corner, click here, click, another click, OK. That's it. And then I'm gonna make this for extrusion. Click the entity, okay, click the height. So I'm gonna make 2 inches for the height. So that's it. Okay. So I'm gonna make this body so in one entity. So go to boolean, click up and click the down. Okay, so now it's one click in one body. So next things I'm gonna click or delete this entity. Okay, so this is the model size. So I'm gonna make toolpath. So I'm gonna next is creating toolpath for machining. Just look okay. So I choose let's choose the machine. This is the machine. So I'm gonna go to mill. It's already here. I've already here. So create contour. So click the entity. Click entity here. Click OK. Choose the tools that you want to use. So I'm gonna use end mill 2-inch. So click OK. The next is click OK. So next is the parameter. So I'm gonna change the parameter for the dip. Click here, absolute. Then the dip of the rectangle is gonna click in the down entity. Click here. So 1.8 the dip. So click out, click in. Gonna uncheck here. Uncheck here. I'm gonna put only 15% for it out, in. Put 0 here. 15%. Okay. Check. So I'm gonna choose the subprogram. No need to retract. So I'm gonna put 10,000 inch per feet per depth. So here we go. So we will try this. So it looks good. Okay, maybe it looks good. That's it. I'm gonna try to simulate this one to see if there's collision. So let's go. So